Hey everyone, my name is Kiana Hughes and I work here at Cardinal Health as an R&D engineer. Work that we do with Black Girls Do STEM is just phenomenal. It's programs like these that pushed me to get the degree that I have and go on to the career journey that I am now on. And without this type of outreach, without mentors, which I now work as a mentor for Black Girls Do STEM, there would be a gap in young girls seeing themselves in careers like this. I just love working as a mentor. I'm very happy to show them around my place of work and all the activities, and I just couldn't be happier.